Hello guys, welcome back to CAD Study. So today we are draw this 3D part in SolidWorks. Let's begin. Here the 2D sketch, and we are starting the drawing from here. After that we are evaluating our full drawing. So let's make it. First of all, go to SolidWorks, click here and select part. Okay. After that, choose one of those plane. I choose front plane, sketch, and select corner rectangle and give dimension which is 92 and 80. Okay, now here one thing, select this line and this origin and make it midpoint. Okay, you can see our drawing is fully defined. So next thing, go to feature, extrude boss base and extrude it up to 18 millimeter. Okay, fine. Now again go to right plane, sketch. We have to draw these circles, these two circles. So go to SolidWorks, circles, and make two circles. No need to define any relation. Now give dimension, which is one is 60 and another one is 36. Fine. One thing here to here, its distance is 140 mm. Okay. Now take line command and from this quadrant here, here, and here. Okay. Again take line command here, 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 and connect to here. Make sure these two are in tangent. Okay. Now give dimension. This vertical dimension is 40. This is also 40 and this is 6. This is 18. Okay, you can see our drawing is fully defined. Now go to extrude, extrude boss base and select this portion and this direction, give mid plane. Here it is 54 mm. Okay, again go to extrude and select the sketch, select here and give its dimension 66 mm from mid plane. Okay, fine. Now we have to make two cutouts. You can see here one cutouts and both sides are cutouts 18 mm. So let's make this. Select this plane, sketch, and choose line command from here to here to here. Make sure it's vertical and horizontal. Okay, select this line, calculation, vertical. Okay, now give dimension, which is this dimension is 18, we know. Here it is. Okay, sorry. Smart dimension. Why it is taking in degree? Okay, now fine. Give 60 mm and from here to here again, from here to here. Okay, I think we made a mistake, which is fine. Give 60 and make this line horizontal. Okay, now it's fine. Now give this distance is 12 mm. See, drawing is fully defined. Now go to extrude cut. Okay, one more thing. From the sketch, I have to draw another line. Okay, go extrude cut and extrude it up to blind. Here it is 18 mm. Right, 18 mm. Okay, now mirror this extrude cut on another side. So go to feature, mirror, select a mirror plane, which is here right plane. See, right plane and features are extruded cut. Okay, see, this part is ready. Now again select right plane, sketch, choose line command from here to here. Go to feature, rip command, select both side 12 mm inside. Okay, see, our rip also completed. Now what are the things we have to do? Now we have to make this cutout to wall. So select this plane, sketch, normal, and select one center line, vertical. Okay, now take corner rectangle and rectangle. Now give dimension, which is 18 mm, and this three are symmetric. Okay, another thing we have mentioned this dimension, which is 24. See, our drawing fully defined. Go to feature, extrude cut, and cut through wall. Okay, fine. Now, next thing we have to do this fillets. Select corner, go fillets, and fillet radius is 20, both side. Okay. Now we have to make two holes. Here you can see these two holes. Now go to this plane sketch and draw two circles. Here one and here one. Okay. Make these two equal. Okay, and give one dimension which is 16. Okay. Now extrude cut up to through all. Okay. See, our part is ready. We have completed our SolidWorks basic parts. Now go to appearances, metal, and choose one metal. Let's brush nickel. See. So thank you guys. If you like, then like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.